Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my previous videos, I have been showing you that PEPE is moving inside in another rising wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently it has broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. By the way, before that, PEPE broke out this down channel. And I was telling you that after breaking out this channel, it can also break out this quite long-term resistance of 10.000010 dollars. And by the way, this is a complete resistance zone that starts from 0.000010 dollars and goes to 0.001161 dollars. Previously, it had been working as a resistance on here, and now finally we have broken it out. And before the breakout, you can see that the price line also tested this support, this red line, the exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart that was moving exactly with the support of this rising wedge pattern. We tested this support here and again here, and finally we after gearing up, we have broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern and this resistance on as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So that's right analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that PEPE formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. And this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied almost 1220%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of PEPE, and this is the daily time frame chart. And for the past several days, it has been moving inside this down channel, and you can see that after breaking out this channel, it has recently broken out another rising wedge pattern as well. By the way, we found the support of this wedge when it was moving inside this channel. You can see we got several touch points here at the support, and you can see that just after breaking out this down channel, we found the resistance of this wedge. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and finally, after getting bounced from the support of this rising wedge pattern and also from the support of EMA 21, you can see that this exponential moving average 21 was also moving with the support of this rising wedge pattern. We had a bounce from this support of EMA 21 here and almost got bounced here as well. And this was the most recent bounce that has happened here on 20th of May 2024. And finally, we have broken out the resistance of this wedge. Right now, after the breakout, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as its support. And now if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this wedge, then expected target for this breakout is, by the way, here. That is approximately at 1835. And we also have a quite long-term uptrend line support as well, by the way. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then it can also break out this highest resistance of 439. And the target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern was, by the way, here. That was slightly above this resistance of 439, approximately at here at 486. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, and this was from this low to this high. So far it has rallied almost 2228% after this breakout. You can see that so far it has rallied more than 2288%. Like over here, this uptrend line support is very significant. You can see that we found this support, by the way, here. Previously it was breaking other resistance here. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now we had these were the rejections, and now recently we got bounced from the support and broke out the resistance. On a 7 days time frame chart, I'm expecting that soon we will have a closing above this resistance on, and you can see that here it was breaking other resistance and resistance on here, and now recently it is again breaking out this resistance on. By the way, on the daily time frame chart, we have completely broken out this resistance on. Then, therefore, I'm expecting that now this move to the upside can be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.